So first I'm going to start off with a half a cup of Uncle Ben's rice. You can use any rice of your choice. This is just something that I cook with. Then I'm going to use 2 cups of water, and I'm pouring the water on top of the rice because I'm trying to get rid of any debris or any dust that may be on the rice. Once I rinse it off, then I'm going to go ahead and use a strainer just to make sure the rice is nice and clean. Then I'm going to go ahead and pour 2 cups of water again on top of it. And as you can see, as I'm pouring the water, it's cloudy, and that's something that you do want to see. Once I pour the water, I'm going to go ahead and transfer the rice water into a mason jar. You want to make sure you're using something that has a seal on top of it. And being that I don't have the proper size mason jar, I couldn't pour all the rice into it. You basically want to have more water than rice. So after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and apply an essential oil, because if you do not know, rice water has a very strong smell once it's fermented. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a few drops of tea tree oil, then seal it up. You can use eucalyptus, lavender, any oil of your choice just to get rid of the smell. Then you want to let it sit into like a warm climate and let it fermentate for about 24 hours. And when I say fermentate, it's basically going sour. It's going to like develop some type of bacteria, and that's where all the vitamins are to help the growth of your hair. After it's sat for 24 hours, I'm going to go ahead and transport the rice water into a spray bottle, which makes it easier to apply to my hair. Being that I didn't have a funnel, I have to use measuring cups, y'all. So it's taking a little longer. But rice water has been very effective. It has amino acids that help hair growth, vitamins B, C, and E. And I have been experiencing postpartum shedding, and my hair has been coming out in clumps. So I needed something fast. I've already tried 2 rinses, and I've already seen a great difference in my hair already just with 2 rinses. You want to do this weekly, and you want to do it after you wash your hair. So you want to spray your hair with it and then rinse your hair. Try to do this once a week, and you should definitely see results. You don't have to let it fermentate for a good 24 hours, but the longer the better. And just make sure that you keep it sealed. I hope you guys like this video. It's very easy to do. I'm sure everybody has rice in their house. It's cost effective. It's quick. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.